how to bind your API on the Blacktinum app. The key apps for this process are the Blacktinum and Binance apps. So let's get into it.
You must have downloaded the mobile app from the
Blacktinum.io
website.
Secondly, you must have a fully verified Binance account and the app installed on your device. Now click and open your Binance app. Locate the 3 horizontal lines on your left corner of the app where my red arrow is pointed. Next, click on More Services, where I circle red. After that, scroll down and locate Others. Under Others is API. Click on it. Click on API and wait for it to open. Note, if on the process of opening you have an error message, we're going to opt in for an alternative. Boom, we have an error, as seen on the screen here. This error message is likely experienced as a result of your country blacklisting the exchange URL or website. The alternative route is to download a VPN to complete the process. So, for me to bypass that, since it's just a one-time process, I've downloaded the Thunder VPN as seen on my screen here. I'll click on the VPN and get it connected. As you can see, it's connected to the Germany server, after which we can return to the Binance app. Remember where we stopped? Others API. Alright, let's see if it works with our VPN now. I click Viola. It opens with our VPN. Click on Create API. Click Next. We have created API. Here, you have to label your API. Just give it any name you desire. So I'm going to name mine Blacktinum API. Click to proceed. The next step is to authenticate the process with our Google Authenticator and email code. I'll start with the Authenticator, open my Google Authenticator, and copy the 6 digits code and paste. Cool. Next is email. I'm using a Gmail address, so I'll just go to my inbox, refresh it. There you have the message, open it, and scroll to locate the code. Copy and paste it. There you go. API has been successfully created. And we now have 2 things that are so important to us: the API key and the secret key. Be reminded that your API secret key is to be kept private. I'm letting you see mine for education purposes, because I'm going to do away with this API after this video. After obtaining the API key and secret from Binance, we have to return to the Blacktinum app. Click and open the app. Locate API binding. The circled part, click on it. You're going to see API key and API secret. Remember, we got both from Binance. We will just copy both of them and paste them here. Let's get straight to it. Just minimize to Binance. Let's start with the API key, copy it, and paste it here. The next one is the API secret. Copy it, and paste here as well. Lastly, click on the Bind API key. You can see the message that says Exchange bounded successfully. So we've successfully binded our API from Binance to the Blacktinum app.